Hello, I'm Jordi Morote, creator of this microphone, that is the BIRDMIC. It's a small parabolic microphone especially designed to amplify the sound of the higher spectrum. It's not intended for amplify, for example, human conversations, but it works for mostly bird songs. It is, as you see, small and, above all, it incorporates this audio interface that allows us to connect our smartphone. We can plug it in and listen and monitor the audio. It is very comfortable and it's recommended for beginners. We have already sold it in 10 different countries and that is amazing. Our evaluation is very good and this motivates us to keep going. The following video is to explain all the functionalities, but there are no audio demos. It is to show how it's connected and how we can get the best of the entire gear. All audio demos will be on other videos. We hope you like it and make the most of it. Let's review everything that comes in the BIRDMIC, how to assemble it, and a simple tutorial of the setup. The BIRDMIC is packaged in this box. These instructions, this is the back with the interface, all cables, all accessories come here. A handle, the mobile support, and a carrying strap. Important to avoid falls. The parabolic dish incorporates a microphone. And a carrying bag to save everything. Well, the first step is screwing the handle. It is a handle with a typical thread, like video cameras. Important, you can screw it here, but I advise you, it is better to screw in this one, here. It's more stable and carrying it is more comfortable. You put it around your neck and it doesn't fall anymore. We are going to mount the support for the smartphone. We need a locking nut to fix it. We get it from this accessory, incorporated in the pack. It is designed to put on the flash shoe. I will show it to you later. Well, we take one of these nuts. Good. We remove the protector. It is incorporated, but you can remove it and never put it back. It works like any video camera part. Tighten. Fix well. Perfect. Like that. Next step. We take our audio interface and we connect it with the male jack. You can put it either in one direction or the other, depending on whether your smartphone has the jack, on the right or on the left. You can be interested in placing the interface in this side or the other. The opening can be two in this side or the other, depending on whether the jack connection was. In this case, like this. We already have the smartphone. Good. Cables. They come one orange and one black. The one that interests us is, for the phone, black one. The difference between orange and black is that orange has 3 segments and black has 4. TRS and TRRS. This one has a microphone connection for smartphones. For us, what is interesting to know is that the smartphones have a 4 pins input jack. Well, we connect it in the phone input. Perfect. We already have the phone. We take out the headphones, also included in the pack. Perfect. And we connect it to out. This is the volume of our headphones. We put on headphones. Okay. And if I turn on, I'm already listening. Well, then I turn on the phone. I activate the application and the signal passes to the application. And it tells us that there is a great teeth. If I touch it with my finger, you see that it's picking up the signal here. In the case that your phone doesn't have a jack connection, like most of the modern smartphones, you can use this adapter. It is a 4-segment connection to USB-C. Which is used with the current cell phones. It remains like this. Optionally, you can use a splitter, a signal divider. You could use a splitter with extra headphones. The splitter is connected to the output for the headphones. Then you can connect 2 headphones. This one here and this one here. You can now share it with another person. You can listen to everything you want. It's ideal for learning, teaching, with children, with a person who doesn't know nothing about birds. According to the product safety, there are people who ask if the placing of the cell phone is safe. Well, the cell phone placing is safe, okay? If you hang it up, the phone doesn't fall. This doesn't fall. It doesn't move, it doesn't fall, it's perfect. But you have to understand one thing. If I have the interface placed during activity, there is no problem. But if I am going to keep the microphone in the car, or a backpack, or anywhere, very important, remove the interface. Using it like that, it is very safe. If I don't give a hard blow, nothing will happen. But this movement, look, the interface stands out, and this movement If I make it strong, can be break. So every time I finish, I remove it, like the flash of a camera, exactly the same. I take it away, I keep it in my pocket, I put in the bag, whatever you want. But very important, don't leave it connected.
In a backpack with the weight of the purchase, don't leave it assembled, disassembled. Other people also ask me, the microphone looks a little too flimsy. Well, the microphone, if I take it, nothing happens. Okay? Well, if I take it from here, nothing happens. If I hold it by the tip, it may bend. But I want to put it here because I am on a trip and I don't want to keep it assembled. Very easy. Take a wrench, like this, tube of this type. It is a number 7.5. You put it on, you unscrew it. It's threaded from here. Unscrew. You can take it out with your own hand. You take the nut and with a little bit of, that's it, okay? You put the nut back and you transfer this wherever you want. And now you can be sure that nothing breaks it, okay? Do you want to put it back? Easy, it only has one position. You remove the nut, only one position. That's it. This is where the thread comes out. Press. You already have your microphone. Let's incorporate the parabolic dish to the camera. As we said, we mount the adapter down here. We screw it on, fix it with the nut above. We put it in position. We try to move it. We set it and done. Well, several options in this case. The input here is 3 pins, therefore orange cable. The input to the camera is 3 pins, so orange too. Now, if we go to the menu and look at the microphone sensitivity, we will see that here the microphone is working. Okay, other options. Here the problem is that this camera has only one input and no output. Therefore, I cannot monitor the audio. I don't hear it. I'm recording, it is using the microphone, but I don't hear it. If I want to listen, there is another option that consists of connecting the audio interface. This output, black cable, and this is 4 pins. You cannot connect it here because this is a 3 pins connection. In the pack incorporated, there is this element that goes from 4 to 3 pins. I connect it. Now, if I want to listen, I connect my headphones here and I can monitor the audio. Look, menu, microphone sensitivity, you cannot hear it. The interface is off. When I turn off the interface, it doesn't work. When I turn it on, it works. I touch, This option is great. It's really good because this monitor and also amplifies the signal.
Well, another option. If you have a field recorder like this, it will probably have a female screw, and it is intended to screw here. If I put it here, this height won't let me screw it. So we include an extension cord of this type. It already exceeds the height. We block it, so we can use the mic with our recorder with a single hand. Same as before, 3 pins output, 3 pins input, therefore orange cable. I connect the orange cable. It works now. If I put on the headphones, by the way, magnetic headphones, to the output, I'm already listening. Well, if you have a microphone like this one, or a parabolic microphone and you want to be able to monitor the audio, there is an option. You can incorporate your microphone to the handle. These are different elements connected to each other. A mini ball head, the cell phone support, and a clamp screwed on the side of the support to place the interface. Put the interface here, in the clamp. This interface is designed to connect directly to BIRDMIC parabolic microphone with no cables. But most of microphones use a male jack. Therefore, we need an adapter. Now you can connect the two male jacks. Put your mobile phone here, like usually. We connect the black cable to the phone output. The interface is off, that's why it's not working. We turn on the interface and it's already working. Assist key. I connect my headphones here. I already have my microphone enabled to monitor the audio. This works with any microphone with no phantom power required. This interface does not provide phantom power. Therefore, all the microphones that use this type of jack are correct. Well, finally, many of you ask, especially teachers, if the smartphone using Bluetooth can send the signal to other smartphones in the group in real time. No, it cannot be done. The smartphone now is receiving data, and the same data cannot be sent by Bluetooth in real time. And also, the Bluetooth has a delay of at least 0.2 of a second, and that makes it very uncomfortable. The bird is singing and you, 2 or 3/10 of a second later, hear it. The way to do this is by attaching an audio guide equipment, which works using radio waves. It's cleaner, faster and safer. You can use this clip and connect it on the side of the phone support. You place the meter in the clamp. The meter has a microphone input. It will be connected to the output, like headphones. I can control the volume that arrives here and also the volume to the entire group. Here is the black cable with a smartphone signal. I will be able to record the session or use any application in real time. Through the transmitter, we can send the signal to the rest of the group. This receiver will receive the transmitter signal in real time. Yes, in real time. It's immediate. It has a volume too. If I also put a splitter, each receiver can have 2 people connected. It is what I use for my outings and it works very well. The feeling of the participants is very good. The rest of the options give me bad results.